Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Katie. Today's video is the DIY Floral Challenge that is hosted by Lindsay from Domer Home and Heidi Sonboul. So they have created a playlist and there will be several of these videos. So go check out that playlist. I will link it down below. So before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you to Lindsay and Heidi for opening up this challenge for everyone to share. I'm really looking forward to seeing all the other beautiful creations that are on the playlist. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, so here we go. So for this challenge, I decided to use the flowers that were in my backyard. These are from my azalea bushes, and I live in North Florida, so that's why they are blooming. And then I used some empty glass containers that I had just lying around in my house. This is an old maple syrup container, and this one used to have a salad dressing in it that was a vinaigrette. And this right here was one of those little scented reed containers where you put the reeds inside and then this essential oils at the bottom. I wanted to use these items because they were just sitting in my house not being used and because they were free. Who doesn't love free? So now that I have the water in the containers, I'm going to separate the flowers because I had cut some that were shorter and some that were longer. So I'm just going to separate them since there are 3 different size glass containers. And I thought it would be pretty to get some flowers that still haven't bloomed, so get some of the buds, and I put those in there as well. So now I'm just placing them in the glass containers in the way that I would like for them to sit. And this is a very simple, basic floral arrangement, I guess you would say. This really does fit my style. I really do like to reuse things and repurpose things. So I thought this would be a great idea because these containers I had saved intentionally a long time ago. And I just thought they were very pretty containers and didn't want to get rid of them. And another reason that this really fits my style is I love pink, if you didn't already know. And so I just thought it was simple and pretty, and I thought that it really expressed my personality and style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you liked this video. And don't forget to go check out Lindsay's and Heidi's channels, linked down below, as well as the playlist of all the other ladies that were included in this challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.